Buying vegetables.
Morning. What do you need?
Hi, I need some tomatoes.
How many? 1 kilo? 2?
1 kilo, please.
Anything else for you today?
Yes. Do you have onions?
Sure. Red onions or white?
Red ones are fresher?
Both are fresh. Your choice.
Okay, red onions, please.
Good choice. That's all today?
Wait, how much are carrots?
$1.50 per pound.
Okay, give me 2 pounds.
Sure thing. Anything else, ma'am?
No, that's everything. Thanks.
Total is $7.20.
$7. Okay, here.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye now.
Trying on clothes at a store.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I want to try this.
Sure. What size are you?
I think medium?
Okay, the fitting room is here.
Thank you. I'll try it on.
Take your time.
This is too tight.
Do you want a bigger size?
Yes, please. One size up.
Here you go. Try this one.
Okay, this fits better.
Great. Do you like the color?
Yes, I love it. I'll buy this.
Perfect choice. Anything else today?
Actually, do you have this in blue?
Let me check for you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, here's the blue one.
I'll take both, please.
Buying a train ticket. Hello. Where are you going?
I want to go to Oxford.
Single ticket or return ticket?
What's the difference?
Return means you come back too.
Oh, I see. Return, please.
First class or standard class?
Standard class is fine. Thanks.
That's 25 pounds total.
25 pounds? That's expensive.
Yes, trains are pricey here.
Okay, here's my money.
Thank you. Which platform do you need?
I don't know. Can you check?
Platform 4, leaving at 10.
Platform 4. Got it. Thanks.
The train leaves in 15 minutes.
Oh, I should hurry then.
Yes, go quickly. Safe travels.
Thank you. Bye.
Ordering pizza for delivery.
Hello, Tony's Pizza. Can I help?
Yes, I want to order.
Sure. What size pizza?
Medium size, please.
What toppings do you want?
Cheese and mushrooms.
Good choice. Anything to drink?
Yes. 1 cola, please.
Okay. What's your address?
It's 15 Oak Street.
Got it. Phone number, please?
555-2112.
Perfect. That's $20 total.
Okay. Can I pay cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Great. How long will it take?
About 30 minutes. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfect. Thanks.
You're welcome. See you soon.
Returning an item at a shop.
Hi, how can I help?
I want to return this shirt.
Sure. What's the problem?
It's too small for me.
No problem. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Do you want a refund?
Yes, please, a refund.
Or you can exchange it.
Actually, exchange sounds good.
What size do you need?
I need a large, please.
Let me check. One moment.
Sure, no problem.
Good news, we have one.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Here you go. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Buying a SIM card.
Hello. What do you need?
I need a SIM card, please.
Sure. Do you have a phone?
Yes, here it is.
What country are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Okay. Do you need data?
Yes, I need internet, too.
We have a plan for £10.
What does it include?
5 gigabytes and unlimited calls.
That sounds good. I'll take it.
Great. Can I see your passport?
Sure, here you go.
Perfect. This will take 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait. Thank you.
All done. Here's your new SIM.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Asking for directions to a pharmacy.
Excuse me, can I help?
Yes, I'm looking for a pharmacy.
Oh, sure. It's near here.
Oh, good. Which way?
Go straight, then turn left.
Straight, then left.
Yes, it's next to the bank.
How far is it from here?
Just 5 minutes walking.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. Do you need anything else?
Actually, is it open now?
Yes, it's open until 6.
Oh, good. I have time.
Perfect. Just follow the road.
Straight, then left, next to bank.
Exactly right.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Checking in at an airport.
Good morning. Passport, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Where are you flying?
I'm flying to New York.
How many bags today?
Just one bag, please.
Put it on the scale.
Okay. Is this right?
Perfect. That's under the limit.
Oh, good. That's lucky.
Window seat or aisle seat?
Window seat, please.
Do you have any liquids?
Thinking just a small water bottle.
That's fine. Under 1 liter.
Oh, good. I wasn't sure.
Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you. What gate is it?
Gate 12. Boarding at 3.
Gate 12. Got it.
Security is straight ahead.
Is it far from here?
No, just 2 minutes walking.
Oh, that's not far.
Any questions before you go?
No, I think that's all.
Great. Have a safe flight.
Thank you so much. Bye.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
Bye now.
Booking a hotel room.
Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Do you have rooms?
Let me check. One moment.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes, we have one room left.
Oh, great. How much is it?
It's $90 per night.
Okay, that works for me.
How many nights do you need?
3 nights, please.
Great. Can I see your ID?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Breakfast is included, too.
Oh, nice. What time?
From 7 to 10 in the morning.
Perfect. Is there a pool?
Yes, on the 3rd floor.
Oh, great. I love swimming.
It's open until 10 at night.
Good to know. Thank you.
Do you need extra towels?
Yes, please. 2 more.
No problem. I'll send them up.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Here's your room key.
What floor is my room on?
3rd floor, room 305.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
Anytime. Enjoy your stay.
I will. Thank you.
Asking about bus schedules.
Excuse me. When's the next bus?
Let me check for you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
It comes in 10 minutes.
Great. Does it go downtown?
Yes, it stops there too.
Perfect. How much is the ticket?
I think it's £2.
Do I pay the driver?
Yes, or you can use card.
Okay, that's easy. Thanks.
Are you new to this city?
Yes, just moved here last week.
Welcome. How do you like it?
It's nice so far. Friendly people.
That's good to hear.
Do you take this bus often?
Yes, every day for work.
Oh, where do you work?
At a school nearby downtown.
That sounds like a great job.
Oh, here it comes.
Already? That was fast.
Yes, it's early today.
Are you taking this bus too?
Yes, I'm going downtown also.
Great. We can sit together.
Sure, that sounds nice.
Thanks for your help today.
No problem at all.
Renting a car.
Hello. How can I assist you?
I want to rent a car.
Sure. What type of car?
A small car, please.
For how many days?
5 days, starting today.
Great. Can I see your license?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you want insurance?
Unsure. What does insurance cover?
It covers damage to the car.
Okay, yes, I want that.
Good idea. Do you need GPS too?
Yes, that would help.
No problem. It's $5 extra.
That's fine. I'll take it.
Do you want full tank or empty?
Full tank, please. That's easier.
Smart choice. Saves you time.
Yes, exactly.
That's $50 total per day.
So, $250 for 5 days?
Exactly right. Plus insurance and GPS.
Okay, I understand. I'll take it.
Great. Here are your keys.
Thank you. Where is the car?
It's in space number 7.
Got it. Thanks for everything.
Drive safe. Enjoy your trip.
I will. Thanks again.
Making a doctor's appointment. Hello, Leeds Clinic. How can I help?
Hi, I need an appointment.
Sure. What's the problem?
I have a bad headache.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you. When can I come?
How about tomorrow morning?
Yes, that works for me.
Great. 9 o'clock? Is that okay?
Yes, 9 o'clock is fine.
How long have you had this?
Maybe 2 days now?
Have you taken any medicine?
Just some painkillers yesterday.
Did they help at all?
A little, but not much.
Okay. The doctor will check carefully.
That's good to know.
Can I get your name, please?
Yes, it's Chloe Davis.
Thank you. And your phone number?
It's 07992211.
Got it. See you tomorrow then.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Oh, wait, one more thing.
Yes? What is it?
Please bring your insurance card too.
Okay, I will.
See you tomorrow morning.
Thanks again. Bye.
Asking for the bill.
How was everything today?
It was great. Thank you.
Glad to hear that.
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure. One moment, please.
Take your time.
Here it is. $22.
Oh, that's a lot.
You had a big meal.
True. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course you can.
Great. Here's my card.
1 second. Okay, all done.
Thank you. Do you need a tip?
That's totally up to you.
Okay, here's a little extra.
Thanks so much. That's kind.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
You too. Bye now.
Booking a table at a restaurant.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't have one.
That's fine. How many people?
Just 2 people, please.
Smoking or non-smoking area?
Sorry, what does that mean?
Do you want a smoking table?
Oh, no, non-smoking, please.
Follow me. This way, please.
Thank you. Is this table okay?
Yes, perfect. Here's the menu.
Great, thanks. Can I ask something?
Of course. Go ahead.
Do you have vegetarian food?
Yes, we have many options.
Oh, good. That's great.
I'll come back in 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your evening.
Order an ice cream. Hi there. What flavor today?
I want chocolate, please.
1 scoop or 2 scoops?
2 scoops, please.
Cup or cone?
Cone. No, cup. Cup.
No problem. Cup it is.
How much is it?
That's £3.50.
Sorry, can you repeat?
£3.50.
Oh, okay. Here you go.
Thanks. Do you want sprinkles?
Sprinkles. What is sprinkles?
Little sugar bits on top.
Oh, yes, please. Sounds nice.
Great choice. Here's your ice cream.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Enjoy. Watch out, it's melting fast.
Oh no. Okay, bye.
Buying bread at a bakery.
Morning. What would you like?
Hi, I want some bread.
White bread or brown bread?
Unsure. Brown bread is healthier?
Yes, it has more fiber.
Okay, brown bread then, please.
1 loaf or 2 loaves?
Just 1 loaf, thank you.
Anything else? We have croissants too.
Oh, maybe 1 croissant.
Good choice. They're fresh today.
Great. How much is everything?
That's £3 total.
Okay, here's the money.
Thank you. Here's your bread.
Thanks. It smells really good.
Haha, fresh from the oven.
I can't wait to try it.
Enjoy. Come back again soon.